In this video, we will discuss another very important question for SAT exams. This question is from slopes. If you are preparing for SAT exams, slopes is one of the most important topics you have. So you should really know this topic. Before going ahead, I will explain this concept in brief and then we will come to this question so it will be easier for you to understand. Okay, so this is a graph and this is a straight line. So what is the slope of this line? Now slope of a line means for 1 unit change in x-axis, how much it changes in y-axis. Well, so this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now for 1 unit change in x-axis, how much it changes in y-axis. So this is 1 unit change. 1 unit clearly you can see, and this is change in y-axis, and you can see that it is 2. So therefore slope of this line is 2. So basically slope means change in y divided by change in x. If change in x-axis is 1, then change in y-axis is called slope. So or simply we can divide it by change in y-axis upon change in x-axis, or we can write it as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So suppose that these are 2 points, x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So change in y-axis is y2 minus y1, change in x-axis is x2 minus x1. So the ratio is called slope. There is another way to find slope if angle is given. So simply you can find it by solving it for tan theta. So this is slope, but when angle is given. In this case, we are going to apply this formula. So now we are going to apply this formula, and clearly in this question, it says that the line passes through origin. So one point is origin. So suppose that there is a straight line and this straight line passes through origin, and we have to find what this point is, x2, y2. We have to find this. So now we are going to apply this formula. We will put all the values. x1, y1 is 0, 0 and slope is 1 upon 7. So we will put the values. So 1 upon 7 equals y2 minus 0 upon x2 minus 0. That gives us x2 equals to 7 y2. Now which of these points follows this condition? So clearly option D is correct because 14 equals 7 times 2. This point satisfies this condition. So option D is correct. For more such questions, you can check the playlist in the description. Thanks for watching.